One of the most important lessons, life lessons that I learned while living in Africa, in Ghana, in my case, and especially with the peoples in the bush. That's what we call it, the bush. And was the word respect and what it really meant and what it really meant and mean is that once the people there, I guess this could apply to any place, but once the people there, Africans, lose respect for you, then it's over. But that same thing apply in any country. Well, I'll say most countries. I'm talking now about Africa and Asia. So in order to maintain that respect amongst the people, you really have to be respectable of others. You know, you got to be nice, kind, gentle, strong, direct. I'll leave it on that. Direct. As I gained that respect from my people in Africa, my ancestors' people, their thoughts were, damn, this man, this old Bruni, that's what they called us in a way, in our country, living like we live. I mean, I was there living among Africans, peoples of my ancestors, as an African. I ate the same food, drank the same water, loved the same women. Well, not somebody else's, but I wore the same clothes. I dressed the same. I smelled the same, after a smell, after after a year or two, then you begin to smell like what you eat and your environment, which meant that mosquitoes didn't bite as much as they did before. You're about to go through that impurity stage. And speaking of the impurity stage, you really have to be very careful about what you eat and drink, because to get ill, sick, in another country, especially I'm talking about Africa, and I'm also referring to the 1960s and 70s, to get sick or ill, it could be the last, that could be it. It could be something real simple, really, like, malaria, fever. There's a number of other different things that your body might be allergic to and you don't know about it. And as people, they may not have the treatment in order to treat what you ill from, your illness. So the respect is the most. So I thank them for allowing me to go through that born again experience, which I'm trying to relay to our people here. It's difficult. It's very difficult to change your lifestyle, because a lot of times you be doing things that's harmful to you and not know it. Or even sometimes you know it and that you feel helpless in order to, to treat it. Like being strung out on dope. Because I was once. I went through all that. And, it's difficult. It's easy for someone to say, just say no. And she meant well, but it's difficult for the person that, assigned that task to carry out. So you really got to be focused on, and that's no guarantee that would enable you to live to be 100 years old or whatever, but it's the feeling you have no matter how long you live on this planet, life. So, there's 10 years or 100 years. It's all about the same. It's important. Okay, that's my meditation, my meditating thought today as I think about my little niece and the others in my family that's fighting for a better life. Okay, that's it. I'm out.